Namaste. Thank you for finding time to watch this video. We have launched a new program called CVILT. Last 2 weeks, we did 2 sessions on 2 different topics, and the response was pretty encouraging. Thank you for whoever has participated in that program. However, last couple of days, we have been getting many queries with regard to some clarification on the CVILT program. So through this video, I thought of clarifying their doubts so that people can join in the coming program with a lot of clarity. A CVILT is a capsule version of a standard instructor-led training program. Only thing, it is delivered in 3 hours time frame. It has live lecture, 1 activity, and 1 quiz, followed by the participant filling up a sheet of paper on key takeaways of the session and their action plan. Normally, we request them to write down 2 action plans that they can implement during their day-to-day professional life. How is this different from normal online program? Yes, it is different. This is a live program. Many of the online programs are recorded. Being a live program, it is more interactive, and the instructor engages with each participant individually, unlike a recorded online program. And let me also tell you, all our instructors come with greater than 15 years of industry experience. So they do share their practical professional life experience during this program. We have also ensured, depending on the topic, to have only a maximum of 10 or 20 participants. For a presentation skill, it is only 10 allowed in a CVILT program to ensure the participants have a very good experience during this program. Currently, what are the programs we offer? We currently offer industry-relevant soft skill programs like communication skills, presentation skills, basic selling skills, conflict management, emotional intelligence, and about another 10 more programs. We actually charge a very nominal fee for programs. Depending on the program, it varies from 500 to 1,000 rupees. Why do we charge for this program? It's very simple. There is a cost towards doing an online instructor-led training program, as well as these instructors are basically come with tremendous industry experience. So it is important that we also give them a small remuneration for sparing their valuable experience with the participants. That is why we charge a very nominal charge of 500, and some programs are 1,000, because it depends on the size of the class. How do you get registered? You can get registered by sending an email to register@splusconsulting.com. Please do mention the topic of interest and your contact number. With regard to corporates, yes, we do conduct private batches for corporates, but however, we need at least 10 participants. The price remains same. Means if the per participant price is 500 for a program, it will be about 5,000 rupees the corporate has to pay, even if there are only 5 participants. Finally, do I get a certificate for this program? Yes, of course, you get a certificate of completion, post completion of the program. Interestingly, some of the programs are also jointly endorsed by some of the IT companies, which is the icing on the cake. So let us begin our journey to this new world with the new norms and new normals. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please do share this with your friends and colleagues. Have a great time ahead.